What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to replace a cabin air filter on a 2001 Chevy Silverado. Now if you look at the passenger side, there is this cover right here. You need to go ahead and remove it. There's some screws and bolts right here that you need to remove, so just go ahead and remove those and drop this down. This is how it's going to look like when you remove that cover. Now, the location of your filter is right here. There is a fastener holding down the filter, so go ahead and unscrew that. And then you just got to remove it from this tab right here. So you remove it from right here. You're going to go ahead and just pull down. Don't forget to get the other one that's in there. Once you install your filters, go ahead and put everything back together. If you guys did find this video helpful, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.